In this Argos support video, we will show you how to complete the bucket test to check for blockages in your washing machine. Before carrying out a bucket test, make sure you've already checked the washing machine's drain pump filter and confirmed it's clean and free from any blockages. If the filter is clear but your machine is still not draining as it should, the next step is to complete a bucket test. Firstly, disconnect the washing machine's outlet pipe from the drain connection. Next, place the disconnected end into a bucket, making sure the pipe is free from any kinks or sharp bends. The pipe should not climb taller than the machine itself. It's important that the pipe does not have any significant dips, as this could prevent water from flowing freely. Once you've checked the pipe, run the washing machine on an empty test cycle using the quickest program your machine has. Observe where the water flows from the pipe into the bucket. If you notice that water remains in the drum, the outlet pipe may be blocked. Remove any obstruction from the pipe, if necessary, by gently squeezing the pipe and then run another test cycle. If water flows freely from the pipe into the bucket, reconnect the outlet pipe, again ensuring there are no kinks or bends, and run a final test cycle. You have now completed a bucket test on your washing machine. If water remains in the appliance after reconnecting the outlet pipe, this may indicate that the installation needs to be adjusted. Make sure the outlet pipe is positioned so that water can drain freely, without bends or kinks, and that it is not inserted too deeply into the standpipe or drain. Finally, if these tips do not solve your issue, please visit argos-support.co.uk for more help.